friends, myself Eqra Naik, and I am from standard 8A from Deonar Colony Municipal English School. As we know, we can send our textbooks to our friends or to our neighbor or our cousins. So I will make a flashcard. In this flashcard, we can note our important notice on from the textbook. Subject Science, Living World and Classification of Microbes. Robert Harding Whittaker 1922-1980 was an American ecologist. In 1969, he divided living organisms into 5 groups. For this classification, Whittaker considered following. First, complexity of cell structure, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Second, complexity of organisms, unicellular or multicellular. Third, mode of nutrition, plants, autotrophic, photosynthesis, fungi, saprophytic, absorption from dead organisms, animals, heterotrophic and ingestive, lifestyle, plants, producers, animals, consumers, fungi, decomposers. 5. Phylogenetic relationship, prokaryotic to eukaryotic, unicellular to multicellular. Living organisms, prokaryote, eukaryote. Prokaryotic have one example of unicellular, eukaryotic have two example of unicellular and multicellular. Prokaryotic unicellular, kingdom 1 Monera. Eukaryotic unicellular, kingdom 2 Protista. Eukaryotic multicellular have 3 kingdoms. Kingdom 3 fungi, cell wall present but organisms cannot perform photosynthesis. Kingdom 4 plantae, cell wall present and organisms can perform photosynthesis. Kingdom 5 Animalia, no cell wall. Classification of microbes. Among the living organisms, microorganisms are largest in number, hence they are classified as follows. Microorganisms have 2 types, prokaryotes, eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have bacteria, eukaryotes have protista, fungi, algae. Classification of microbes.